Welcome to our documentary about nature in the suburbs of Milwaukee. I am Henry Andera, and here with me today is Ellen Beaupre, and we will be narrating the journey through the wonders of Mother Nature. This film was brought to you by Kind of OK Productions,
the No Fashioning Foundation,
Pornhub.edu,
and viewers like you.
Thank you. We have a very rare specimen, the majestic human being. Here one is now. You must be very careful. These are very dangerous creatures. I'm going to try to approach you. Calm. I want to pet it. That may very well be a once-in-a-lifetime encounter.
Ah, bloody heck. Ah. Did you see that? It's one of the most greatest trees I've ever seen in my life. Look at it. Look at it. Now the way to approach these is just like, get it right on. You have to get it one big squeeze, and then there's no way it can get out. Alright? My nickname in high school was Tree Hugger. Don't really know what it meant, but I think this is what it's for. Ah. It's a tough one. I don't think we'll be able to get it, but it's truly one magnificent creature.
This specimen, the elderly citizen.
Very rare in these types of areas.
Throughout your life, you learn to respect your elders. So we've decided to star him in our film. This here specimen is called the milkweed.
It's got very green leaves, I guess.
Hi.
And the inside of the leaves is very dangerous. You can see the white on Owen's finger here.
Is this bad? Is this bad, mate? What should I do?
You could die. You better go.
Alright, right here, we got ourselves the yellow polka dotted leopard cheese muffin extravagant mushroom. You can only, well, I guess you could find these in the finest Italian restaurants, but that's it. You can't just find these on your Papa John's pizza. They're only in the finest spots. And to really get the flavor after them, you gotta kick them a few times. All right, like that. All right. Oh man, that was a bit too hard. It's down to my power.
Here is a wonderful ant. These ants are all around these parts. Ants are very quick, and that's pretty much it. This here is the wonderful dog.
Majestic
dog. This particular dog is Finley.
She lives in very majestic regions, such
He likes
as
being
suburbs.
majestically petted by majestic humans.
She thinks that he can get away, but she can't.
She cannot get away from us. She loves the attention of the camera. She also loves to walk. This here is a rock These things truly rock,
And roll.
if you know what I mean. That's a joke, you should be laughing.
And if you're
Laugh.
not,
Whoa, it just moved.
Thank you for watching our film. This film took us some very hard work to create.
28 hours on the dot.
Probably like 28 minutes. But be sure to check out our sponsors. Don't Farson. Visit pornhub.edu.
If you have any questions or anything about nature that you didn't know already, it's probably on pornhub.edu.
Yep. You could ask us any questions. And, well,
We love you.
we love you.
Maybe the sun will shine today.
I like nature.
The clouds will blow away.